So guys, after a long time, I came to chill by Little Island. It's a beautiful day, but it's really cold. You see, all the snow turned into ice already. The floor and everything is so slippery. So this is the Little Island on top of the Hudson River. You see, on top of the river they built a small island. আজকে আমি আসছি এখানে একটু চিল করার জন্য আর কি, Little Island. It's pretty nice. You can see from here, you can see the Freedom Tower. See the Freedom Tower building all the way over there. Oh, it's really cold today. So let's go inside actually. It's kind of quiet too. Barely any people. Not much of people. Especially summer. It's like thousands of people everywhere in the summer. But now, today is really cold. I still see so many people running around, jogging, exercising. But let's go over there, check out Little Island at nighttime. Well, it's around 6 o'clock right now. 6 p.m. And it's like 30 degrees outside. It's freezing. Look, everything is ice. Snow turned into ice. So guys, those of you that don't know, Little Island is on top of the Hudson River. Once you go up, you can see the whole New Jersey on the other side, and then you see Hoboken over there, and then the whole city view. If I go up there, I could see the Empire State Building and then the Freedom Tower much better. Let's go over there actually. Let's see. Look at all those duckies. It's a beautiful, quiet night. Oh, it's getting night actually. It's 6 p.m. right now, so you know. Let's go inside. So you could go in from there too, the bridge over there, and from here. And look at this entrance. It just looks like a beautiful big gate, but not really. Cautions, you see, because the floor and everything is slippery. They put this sign up, cautions. Barely any people. I see a security over there. And then look, so many people comes here. They closed it. People comes here and jump around, and it makes that noise. But anyways, I cannot go up. It's closed actually, but barely any people. So there's no going up today, I guess. Oh, you see, look, you can see that Empire State Building from here. So pretty much সব বন্ধ হয়ে যায়, আইসের জন্য সব কিছু slippery. It's like you cannot go up today. So I wanted to go up and show you guys around, but I guess I can't. There's a security guard over there, so there's no, you cannot go up this way either. So yeah, I just came through one bridge. Now I'm leaving through the other bridge. Oh man. Well, that's a good thing they didn't let anybody go up, because look, everywhere says cautions because it's slippery and stuff, so they don't want to take the chances. See, that's how it looks. Only one security guard telling everybody no going up, and they closed anyways. You can't really go up this way, see? Not going up. So I came one way, leaving the other way, see? Little Islands. So this is the other bridge. They could come in and go out. Oh, it is cold. It is cold. Well, I wanted to show you guys around by going all the way up there or over here or up this way, but it's closed. But it's all good. I'm just gonna walk around a little and just go back to the Bronx. But it's a beautiful day though. Really nice. Even though it's cold, so many people are still, running around, jogging by Hudson River is always nice. And you see the whole, Freedom Tower. And the Empire State Building, you can see a little bit, only the tippy toe. Other than that, it's nice. I think daytime, maybe it was open daytime. I don't know, I'm not sure. Or maybe even daytime was closed too. Because you see ice. This is like mass slippery. So that's why I know. That's why they don't allow going up. You see, this is the one bridge. You go in this way, you go across and come back around from that bridge over there. Pier 57. I wonder what they do over there. Over there, oh, there we go. Says it over there. Bar, market, rooftop park. Okay, cool. But anyways, I see some duckies under, you see, under those wooden thing, some duckies and stuff. I see so many people still going inside, so they're just gonna go inside from there and come back out this way. Like those people did. They went this way and came back out the other way. You can see the Hoboken city from here. Let me show you guys right here. This is Hoboken over there in New Jersey. This is New Jersey over there. And then Freedom Tower, of course, right over here. Other than that, all around the system is nice. Summertime, it's so beautiful here. Summertime, this place is a must to visit. See all that snow and stuff turning into ice and all the lighting system all around. It's really nice actually. All snow. I used to come around over here, especially summertime, just sit around, grab some food, because so many cafes all around over here. Cafe, restaurants, everything. If you go through here, everything is there. So cold and freezing. People, I see still people running around and jogging. That's crazy. At least take a day or 2 days off from jogging or running. Do that at home. I mean, I guess they got used to it. Even though it's cold, snowing, they still do it. So those two people coming from there, they went this way and now they're coming back out this way. Oh. Well, this is for bike lanes. People ride around bikes and scooters. Well, I'm just gonna walk back to my car. But anyways guys, if you guys are new to my channel, definitely subscribe my YouTube channel guys. Follow me on Facebook. All the love and support means a lot guys. I will see you guys on my next video guys. Peace out.